Hello, everyone, and welcome to a very interesting session. Today, we are going to be talking about iconic takes and whether it's been a boon or a curse for actors. I'm sure all of us have had characters or scenes that we've absolutely loved, have stayed with us, and I think somewhere, some of these scenes even stay in our minds and in our hearts rent-free, right? So when we look at these kind of characters, let's talk to the actors about the kind of hindrances it may have probably served them in reality or may have actually been a boon to them. So let's start with the both of you, Radhika and Ishwak. Tell me, before you guys, became actors, iconic scenes and characters. Oh my God, hi! So, Chitrangada, I was just telling them that our session is very interesting today because we're talking about iconic characters and scenes that may have really connected or been really relatable to us, and how they stay with us even after we watch the film or even years down, right? But these characters can often be a boon or maybe even a curse in some way, right? So, before you guys became actors, are there any iconic characters and scenes back in the day that stayed with you? And like till today, that's your favorite, probably.
So for me, my favorite character till date is Sanjay Mishra's character in All the Best.
Oh.
Like, don't do, just chill. Till date, I use it.
Yeah?
Whenever somebody's angry, I'm like, hey, don't do, just chill. So I think that is going to be my favorite.
Your go-to iconic character.
Go-to iconic character.
Yeah, I think in your case, I wouldn't expect anyone less because that's just like you, fun vibe. What about you, Chitrangada?
I mean, and this is like, so my mother was a huge Rekha fan. So when I sat with her and she would make me watch movies, so Umrao Jan was something that I have watched with her. I can't tell you how many times. So for me, the ideal heroine, the Hindi film heroine, or a feminine beauty was Rekha. I was making collages of her way before, when I was very young. Because, when you're starting to learn about makeup and things like that. So she was everything. She was, and I think when your mom, kind of, not idolizes, but is a huge admirer of someone, then you tend to kind of follow.
Yeah.
So for me, she was the iconic heroine, the iconic whatever of feminine beauty, everything. So yeah, I mean, that's the film till date. I keep saying Umrao Jan is it, and for me, that's the icon, really. That's who Rekha for me is,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like Radhika, did you have a moment where you were recreating or just
I
sing a few
have
lines,
danced to in Aankhon Ki Masti, and I mean those songs. I can't tell you. I mean, in school growing up, that's what I used to do.
Yeah.
I've done so much of that. Yeah, full gungar, this, that, everything. I learned Kathak, of course, and that also kind of, sort of, I think came somewhere from there. Just about 3 years of Kathak, but then yeah, I think she definitely had something to do with it. Yeah.
Definitely. Ishfaq, what about you?
The list is kind of long, but I think the one thing that's really stayed with me is Birdman, which is Michael Keaton's character. It's because I used to work on stage, and then the way they've kind of got that sense of how a person kind of switches from backstage to when he's on stage, and when he's kind of not found his feet, when he's found his feet, when he's getting there, and finally when he really, is in control.
Yeah.
I think it's just something which is at a very granular level, that character and that film sort of brings out. So it's something that I find very inspiring.
Absolutely. Okay. So before you guys became actors, these were the kind of iconic characters that you guys were probably worshipping or, just have a place in your heart, right? But now that you guys are actors, has the definition of, iconic scene or characters, has that changed for each one of you?
From my experience, I don't think that that, oh, this is going to be an iconic scene.
Yeah.
we're just in the moment, and sometimes magic happens. You don't even realize that magic is happening. Sometimes you see it in the edit and you're like, really? Like, did we do that?
Yeah.
So I don't think you can create iconic scenes. You can just be truthful in that very moment and give your all and just hope for magic to happen.
For sure.
Yeah, no, I agree with her. I don't think you can plan magic. You can't plan an iconic character. You write something, and I think what happens is when you find a cast which is closest to that character. Like I feel Rekha ji for me, even today, or even Smita ji, you know, I think they brought so much of themselves, who they were, at the very, like you said, like a very granular level. When you bring that, it just like something strikes and it becomes magical because it's so believable.
Yeah.
And sometimes you're lucky enough that the writer has written the character so similar to who you are at the core, and the director has then directed you in that manner, and that magic happens. Like, I'm not saying it's an iconic character, but my first film, where I play Geeta Rao in Hazaro Khwaishein, I feel that character of Geeta was very close to who I was as a person.
Wow.
Very emotional, unsure, vulnerable, but strong, but weak. You know, and we all are that, you know, but I think maybe it was that time in my life or something. So I feel sometimes magic just happens because magically things get written for the right person.
Correct, yeah.
You know, like Gabbar, my God. Like, who would have thought? It was just crazy. So, I mean, that's my take. And that's what I feel, yeah.
Yeah, I'm going to come back to the point where you mentioned about your character as Geeta. So your character as Geeta Rao was one which was so complex, okay, and so well layered. And in Hindi cinema, I feel for a female character to be this complex and well layered is not very common, especially back in the day. Do you think it kind of like set a path, but also boxed you in this sort of a, like intense role?
You're right. I think, I mean, back in the day, but I feel some actresses, like, even way back, like, you know, Wahida ji and Meena Kumari ji, some very interesting characters were written. Hello. Hi. Anyway, so we were in the middle of talking about Geeta Rao from Hazaro, from my film. So no, I was just saying that Sudhir, I think, is very fond of writing complex women characters. And Main Zinda Hoon, Deepti Naval, you know, his first film, he won a national award for that. Again, such a beautifully layered, complex character. I just got lucky with that, really. But you're right. I mean, sometimes when you play something which is so convincing and it kind of sticks in your head, your image becomes that.
Yeah.
And you do tend to get boxed. But that's also coming out of love from the audience, because they love to see you like that, you know?
Yeah.
That they don't want to see you like anything else. Because for me, like, I felt like if I did like a Desi Boys maybe, or if I did like a special song like Kundi or whatever, they thought like, Arey, you know, how could Geeta Rao be? So I think that also comes out of the love that the character is getting, and they don't want to see you do anything else. So both sides to the story, I mean, to the thing, but you know, you've got to take it all, and I can't be more you know, grateful for Geeta Rao to happen to me, because yeah, we're still sitting and talking. It's what, 20 years now?
Yeah.
It's been a very long time, yeah.
Okay, so Ishfaq, before I let you answer, I'm just going to recap on my question, so then Nusrat can be like in loop.
You'll have to recap it once again.
Yeah.
Abhishek's on the way, no?
Sorry, Abhishek here?
No idea.
Okay, I think we'll just wait for him. He's going to be like a surprise element walking in any moment in that case.
What is the question in English?
Okay, so basically what I was asking these guys was that iconic characters and scenes back in the day, before you guys became actors, may have meant something very different. Like, did you have anything of that kind in mind that stayed with you?
I still say that it's Kareena from मैं अपनी favorite हूँ. Yeah, when he says let's go watch a movie, she says tell me how it was. I know they're just pop culture references, but growing up as a girl, they stuck with me.
Of course.
And even though we've seen Kareena in a lot of other roles, those two lines just make Karina for me. And somehow I think I've been lucky that I've had those dialogues for myself also, which I might not like them that much, but that different colors of pink just stuck.
Exactly.
The choka just stuck. Babu just stuck. And we didn't know when we were doing it that these things are going to get stuck to you, but they do. Whether it's a boon or a curse, I don't think I can decide that, because I can't call something the audiences love me for a curse. And I also know that if that's all they're going to know me as, then I don't know what else to do with that. So
Yeah.
I think as an actor, I'm loving it, but I also know that I will get stuck in it. तो ठीक है, बट उसमें इतना ही कि मुझे ज़्यादा मेहनत करनी है कि मैं अलग क्या करूं जहां वो सब भूल जाए मेरे बारे में और कुछ
Yeah.
और याद रखे. Because let's be honest, it's the pinks and the babus and the chokas that gave me an option to choose other work.
Yeah.
To put me in a place where other offers could come my way. If you ask me to do it again, I would do it again in a heartbeat. There is nothing I would not. Anything that gave me any platform or give me any applause is mine, and I'm going to own it. Even if there's a little bit of a fear to be stuck in it, I will take that.
Take that
Yeah, I
risk,
will
yeah.
definitely take that. But does that mean I won't try to do something different? No. And that's what I've done. I've done Chori. I played a pregnant woman when I shouldn't have. I don't even know what that means. I was far too young for it. I played a mother again. And I'm sure all of us have done those kind of roles. We've stepped out and said, let's do something different, just so that we can say that we did it.
Yeah.
Now, whether audiences are able to get unstuck or get stuck again on something else is not in my hands.
Yeah.
तो मेरे हाथ में जो है मैंने वही किया.
Yes. Okay. I've just gotten to know that Abhishek is right here, and we're just going to welcome him. Hello.
I'm really sorry, guys. I'm promoting true stuff like Rana Naidu and Stolen. So I'm mad. Stolen देखी है? नहीं देखी तो देखो यार. Prime पे आ चुकी है. Yes.
So I'm going to actually let you finish. How is it going for you with the promotions?
It's very hectic, and I think facing media and facing people and answering some very interesting questions, I think it's the most difficult part of being an actor. Acting is easy, but promotion is a different ball game. And I realized that this is also a talent.
Yeah.
Like, how do you talk and kya aapka grace hai and kaun se words use ho rahe hain and all of that. That's also a big thing to learn from all our senior superstars.
Absolutely, absolutely. I mean, to kind of articulately put your thoughts is definitely a talent.
Yeah, it's not everybody's cup of.
It's not everyone's cup of tea, for sure. Okay. Nushat, you were talking about your character, that you'd want to play that again, like you've given a chance, okay? Did you feel that, in the graph that you've had, you've wanted to go back to that, but you also craved maybe another sort of a, character type that didn't come your way very easy?
No, I've actually, मैं यार बहुत कम सोचती हूँ इन सब चीज़ों के बारे में. I ask people around. I think it's my everyday job and I have started practicing it. I don't even know since when. मैं एक कॉल करती हूँ किसी को भी दिन में. Casting हो, actor हो, director हो, writer हो, producer हो, media person हो, and my conversation is क्या चल रहा है bro? What's happening? बताओ क्या किया आज दिन में? कुछ लिखा, कुछ सीन किया, कुछ कहीं गए, and then घूम फिर के ask them चल क्या रहा है इंडस्ट्री में? So just to get an idea of what is being perceived, because I can't function only on my own perception. So I think over the years, whatever questions I asked, it was people who told me that, bro, your Pyar Ka Panchnama and your Sonu Ki Toti Ki Sweetie image is so strong that we're not able to see you in other things. And I now understood that.
Then you were so wonderful in Chori, yeah? That's
Thanks,
so
yeah.
amazing like that. I mean, if people say that, then they should see that performance of yours. And LSD and other stuff you've done. Yeah.
And then I did a film with him, which was Khilona. And my director of that film has said this to me. He said, यार आप तो लाल साड़ी में दिल चोरी नाचते हो, आप कहाँ फ्लोर पोछोगे मेड बनके? तो मुझे उनको एक्चुअली मेरे घर का पूरा फर्श साफ करते हुए वीडियो भेजना पड़ा. मैंने कहा सर ये रहा मैं मेड, मैं फर्श साफ कर रही हूँ, what is the big deal? Why can't I be a red sari clad dil chori dancing girl and also be the maid in the next character of a film? Why can't I do that?
Yeah.
You have to trust me as an actor to be able to deliver it also.
Yeah.
So I feel more than just me, it's the audiences and the makers जिनके minds में ना वो perception बैठ जाता है.
Correct.
And जितनी हमारी responsibility है उसको तोड़ना उतनी उनकी भी responsibility है. That let's look beyond this.
Yeah,
let's
let's
give
accept.
an actor a chance to do something different and see how it happens. Like सबसे बड़ा example is Jana. Excuse me. He's Jana in so many films and then he does Stolen and then he does, I mean, Hathoda thing also. I'm like, भाई कहाँ तू हंसा रहा था, कहाँ तू खोपड़ी फोड़ रहा है, मतलब how does that happen? But you have to give an actor that opportunity to be able to do that.
Correct. Absolutely. Ishwa, coming to you, I'm going to go back to my question.
Yes.
That how much has the meaning of an iconic scene or character changed from you after becoming an actor?
I mean, you don't really, I guess, think about it when you're doing it, when you're in the rut, because there's other, all these thoughts in your mind that creep in. How you're going to do it, what you're, what's happening in that moment. But I guess, somewhere down the line, anything that's really blown up that I've been a part of, I know that I had this sense that this is special. For instance, Patal Lok, for instance, the whole show. So, and some of those scenes. And there's this one scene in the season 2 that kind of
तुझे
really,
मरना नहीं चाहिए था यार. ये गलत हो गया यार.
just like all good things must come to an end. Yeah, I mean, as a casting director, I think you would have had some clout. You could have influenced it.
मैंने casting नहीं की है यार second season की.
I know. But हाँ यार, that was a bummer, a serious gut punch. So I mean, there's a scene which I think in the car between me and Jaideep, and जब हम वो कर भी रहे थे, तो there was a sense that this is something that is it's special. When I read it the first time, when we were shooting it, something about the vibe. It's not even like you haven't even started it, and you just know that you're going to do something which is going to strike a chord. So I think it starts with really good writing, something that's done with a great intention, someone who's kind of really touched upon an issue and someone recently said that, that one scene has done more for the LGBTQ community, a very acclaimed filmmaker, than, a lot of the stuff that's out there. So I think it's a combination of all these things that really strike a chord, but an actor doesn't really have, I guess, can ever predict, what you're doing, if you're part of anything iconic or not.
I have to ask each one of you guys this. Today, the audience's sensibilities has changed a lot. Back in the day, what they deemed as iconic or what we deemed as iconic was very different. Probably the accessibility being less to the internet may have played a major role over there. But now, with more accessibility when it comes to maybe world cinema or maybe to more, OTT shows, has given them a wider, reach to such shows and movies. Okay. Today, when you look at this kind of an audience that can be so easily critical, okay, what you deem to be iconic as a character or maybe a scene, at times may not really translate into that. Have you guys ever faced maybe a moment of that sort in your career?
What moment?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, if it's a very long. Sorry,
Okay, it's a very long question, so I'll break it for you guys. Okay.
Actors थोड़े से.
Okay, if a character, okay, that maybe you deemed to be like, this is going to be like the role that everyone's just going to love and it's going to stay with them. Or maybe there's a scene of that sort which is going to be so epic, but maybe it wasn't really translated into that or received that way. Has there been a moment of that kind?
Okay, it wasn't received. Like you
Yeah.
thought that you're killing it, but you actually fucked it up. Like,
Something that you've done.
very
maybe.
bad.
Yeah.
Basically where you were very bad.
No.
Kharab.
No.
Yeah, when you thought that you're amazing, but
No,
actually
like
it was
give me
like
a scene also.
crap.
Maybe there's another
It's
scene
the
that we
name of the
do.
game happens all the time.
I'll just start with so I don't know how many of you have seen In Car.
Yeah,
There's a
we have
film
seen
with
In Car.
Arjun.
Of course we have
Have you
seen
seen? Okay. So there is a scene in which she goes into the washroom and she confronts Arjun's character, which is my character. So this is the first time that I ever wrote anything, huh? So I had a lot of suggestions, you know, this is what a woman scorned would feel like, but she's still in love with him, but she wants to make a point, but she doesn't want to let go of him, you know. So there's all this, I don't know how many of you have seen the film, so you don't understand. It was very complex. So she follows him into the washroom, and then she confronts him because he's avoiding her all the time. So Sudhir said, okay, why don't you write this scene? So I said, are you sure? And like, this is way back. I'm talking 2013. So I said, okay. So I like sat all night, and I like next day I went, and he liked it quite a bit, and he kept almost 70 to 80% of the scene is what I wrote is what you'll see in the film. Now I thought I did an amazing job, and while we were shooting, even I thought कि यार क्या कमाल का लिखा है, this is fantastic and it should translate. But that scene is not something that gets talked about much, and I don't think even when the film released, I don't think many people have said anything about that scene. So like you said, you know, sometimes you feel that you've given it all, and you feel that it's so real and it's so true. But writing ka magic is more than that. It's also what translates and what connects and how emotionally you can deliver that scene, you know. Sometimes it just doesn't deliver. It hasn't reached. You may have put everything into it, you know. So because I'd written it, I gave it my all and I did everything with it. And Arjun's fantastic in the scene, but it just didn't. So for me, like the minute you said that, I'm like, yeah, that always stays in my head that, you know, writing is so much more than just, हमने तो feel किया था, you know. It doesn't work like that, I think. Yeah.
Yeah. Radhika, what about you?
Yeah, I totally agree with you. I think what I have realized is that maybe हमें इतना ज़्यादा फील होता है क्योंकि उस मोमेंट में क्योंकि हम वो इमोशन पहली बार एक्सेस कर रहे होते हैं. हमने वो लेयर टच ही नहीं की है कभी लाइफ में, तो हम वो जब टच कर लेते हैं तो हमें लगता है हमारी दुनिया खुल जाती है और हमें लगता है सबको दिख रहा है ना कि मेरी लाइफ में क्या हुआ है, अभी मैंने क्या टच किया, क्या एक्सेस किया. बट सामने वाले शायद कर चुके हैं तो उनको नॉर्मल लग रहा है, उनको लग रहा है हाँ ठीक है, इतना कुछ ऐसा नहीं है कि क्या हो गया है. तो तुम एक्चुअली इतना सब्जेक्टिव है, तुम्हें पता ही नहीं है. तुम कुछ चीज़ें कर देते हो जो ऐसे बाय द वे ऐसी फ्लो में कर ली और सामने वाला परसीव कर रहा है अरे मैजिक हो गया. तुम कभी ना प्लान कर सकते हो ना कुछ सोच सकते हो. बट ये मैंने डेफिनेटली रियलाइज़ करा है कि अगर आप कुछ चीज़ें पहली बार टच कर रहे हैं या उसकी डेप्थ में पहली बार जा रहे हैं, आपके लिए वो आपकी दुनिया है, आपके लिए वो बेस्ट परफॉर्मेंस है. बट मे बी वो नहीं है. 2 साल बाद जब आप उसी परफॉर्मेंस को देखोगे आपको लगेगा कि हाँ ठीक ही है, बुरा नहीं है, बट ठीक ही है. ऐसा भी नहीं था कि आओ देखो कि कौन आया है इंडस्ट्री के अंदर. सो वो डिटैचमेंट भी आ जाती है. तो आप मेरे ख्याल से मेरे लिए मेरे साथ ये सब हुआ है, तो मैं इसी बार में मतलब इतना ही बोल सकती हूँ. आई डोंट नो, बाकी आप बताइए.
यार मेरे साथ तो उल्टा हुआ है. आई हैव वांटेड कि ये सब नहीं हो, कि मैं बोल रही हूँ मैं हीरोइन नहीं हूँ, विलन हूँ. आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाई इट बिकेम पॉपुलर. ऐसे नहीं सर ये नहीं चलेगी, चली भाई. वेर आई से कि तुझे लगता है मैं चंट हूँ, हाँ मैं हूँ. लड़की एडमिट कर रही है इसकी केस में कि हाँ भाई मैं गलत हूँ, और वो पॉपुलर होगी. मुझे नहीं चाहिए था पिंक 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 डायलॉग पॉपुलर हो जाए, हो गया. मैं नहीं चाहिए था कि सचिन रिटायर्ड पॉपुलर हो, बट वो हो गया. आई एम लाइक लिसन, I'm sorry, I know cricket, I don't want to sound like this, and this is not how it is. But for me, it's become ulta. Things that I thought will not fly and not get there has become that. Like मैंने सेल्फी में बहुत छोटा रोल किया है, और एक लाइन बोलती हूँ मैं जब द डायरेक्टर टोमी टू के ये बोलते हैं. मैंने कहा ठीक है सर कि माई हस्बैंड इज बीइंग बीटन अप, एंड मैं टीवी पे देखती हूँ और उसका फोन आता है, तो मैं कहती हूँ अरे मैं टीवी पे देख रही थी, तुम्हें तो पेल रहे हैं. Everybody was laughing on the pale wala line. I said, okay, cool. So in my head, तो मेरे साथ actually उल्टा हुआ है. I feel like नहीं, this is not going to fly and become something, but it just does. So it's very unpredictable. What is going to stick with people, what they're going to relate to and connect to, which is why I say I can't judge my characters and I can't judge what I'm playing. I can't. I have to be so out of it and do it the way it is supposed to be done. It's the only way, because मैं थोड़ा भी उसको tweak कर दूंगी तो वो इतने लोगों तक वो पहुंचेगा नहीं.
Correct.
जो उसकी प्योरिटी से वो पहुंचने के लिए लिखा गया था. So मेरे साथ तो वो हुआ है. And in fact, I swear, even if I say Chori or Janhit, which was also a fairly comical film where you can have things land, I'm a very shy actor like that. Matlab, on set, I want to hide behind 5 people and not have a spotlight on me.
Really?
Like I want to say my dialogues and I don't want people to watch me. I'm like मैं धीरे से side पे बोल के चली जाती हूँ. So the fact that I'm thinking ये तो भाई कुछ हो जाएगा, ये कभी नहीं हो सकता मेरे लिए. I'm somebody who says मैं आप dialogue बोलो मैं चुपचाप खड़ी हूँ, आप expression ले लो मेरे. I'm not somebody who wants or thinks कि ये फटेगा. Maybe I'm just a shy actor like that. So for me it's ulta.
Yeah, probably. Ishfaq, what about you?
I had a similar experience. Like she mentioned that you don't expect something to work, and then, like for instance, in Patal Lok, there's a certain look that was designed. He was very gawkish, geeky kind of a cop, and turns out, and I was like, yeah, this is a moment that I'm going to get spotlight. Why did I have to kind of get this, like, dress myself down to a level where I look like a geek? But then turns out people loved that look, and it just became like he was seen like this hoochie goochie cop, and everyone loved that. So
You mean the girls?
if you slip into my DMs, you'll see a lot of
The
guys.
smile on his face. Of
It's,
course.
no,
It's not the
they've been very democratic with their love, so it's across the board. But
gender neutral.
yeah, bilkul, especially after season 2. So yeah, I mean it's but at the same time it really breaks my heart. Sometimes you really pour in so much and you believe in it, and nobody likes it. It's just like and I think she put it so well. Maybe they've kind of been there, done that, and हाँ यार ठीक है हो गया तेरे लिए होगा अब खास मेरे लिए तो नहीं है. It's not really working for me. Probably it's that. So, but yeah, it's something which is, that's why everyone's on kind of tenterhooks. You don't know what's going to work, what's
Yeah, it's
going to
very
strike a chord.
unpredictable. Yeah,
You do have a sense. Mostly, sometimes it's true, sometimes it's
sometimes.
not.
Correct. Yeah. What about you, Abhishek?
Yeah, I feel that it really doesn't depend on us whether it can travel through to the audience. It completely is the film's responsibility. If the film is popular or the show, whatever we are doing is popular, then sometimes even your badly done, stuff can become iconic. And if it's not popular, then maybe you've done the best acting of your career, but it might go unnoticed. So it's really about the popularity, I feel,
Yeah.
of a project which makes those characters iconic. And so we are actually nothing. It's not even our medium, so we are just puppets. So the directors, the DOPs, is talking about Patal Lok. I always say it's Avinash Arun, Prosit Roy, Sudeep Sharma. Because of them, the characters became iconic.
Yeah.
So any work we are doing, I'm always very worried about who I'm going to work with next.
Yeah.
Because I know I'm I can't do anything once I'm on set. It's going to be them. So yeah.
Yeah. Talking about another iconic character of yours that we mentioned a while back, Jana. Do you think a character like that, which is so famous that everyone even remembers dialogues, right, of it? Okay, the time like you say, "Hi Daya," even that. When you walk into rooms, do people expect you to be like that funny? And say like,
I
"That
am
bolo."
funny in life.
No, but
Yeah. I have a very good sense of humor. Yeah, I am very Jana-like in real life. Nushrat knows that. And my very close friends, they know it.
Yeah.
I am nothing like the serious tough guy. I'm actually very goofy, and I don't have control over my body. I'm very messy like that. Yeah.
Yeah. But then has there ever been a moment where people have literally told you that, Jana's character this way, तो कुछ ऐसे dialogue बोल के दिखा दो, anything?
वो हमेशा बोलते हैं.
अच्छा.
हाँ, मतलब wherever, of course, वो होता ही है. Vicky, please बोल दो, ये कर दो. That's a common. If they like you and if they like those lines, then they would want कि एक बार तो वो हो जाए. जैसे कंपाउंडर, दिक्कत जना जैसे कैरेक्टर के साथ नहीं है. दिक्कत है कंपाउंडर जैसे कैरेक्टर के साथ या हथौड़ा त्यागी जैसे कैरेक्टर के साथ. क्योंकि फिर वो बोलते हैं कि सर 1 मिनट आप यहीं रुकना, आपसे फोटो खिंचानी, लेकिन एक चीज लेकर आ रहा हूँ. द नेक्स्ट थिंग दे गेट इज एन उस्तरा फ्रॉम ए सैलून और बोल रहा है सर यहाँ रख दो, सर यहाँ रख के फोटो खिंचानी, सर यहाँ रख के. सो दैट बिकम्स वेरी ऑकवर्ड, एंड आई कांट. ये तो यार प्रूफ हो गया ना कि मैंने किसी के गले पे चाकू रख के, वो तो कुछ भी बोल सकता है कल को यार. So those are the things which becomes
Difficult to shed, maybe?
worrisome, huh?
That difficult to shed, maybe, at times, if it's at extreme?
I'm not worried about that. I mean, if they like me in something and you know they want me to continue, they want to continue watching me in a particular part from 30 years, I'll perform that.
More than welcome.
And I will always find films like Stolen to break my mold at regular intervals. I'm going to work with young filmmakers, producers who are not from Bombay, who are like anywhere. They might be in Bangalore. I'm actually doing something in Bangalore, Tamil Nadu, Bengal. There's so much to do. So if as an actor you are the only one who can restrict yourself.
Yeah.
And so ये brand value बढ़ाना है, pricing बढ़ाना है. This is the kind of business conversations, right? But if you're here to just act, there are multiple ways to act.
Yeah.
And I think it's
doesn't
the
matter.
times, the
Yes.
times we're in.
Yes.
I love
totally.
Jana. I'm saying from an audience point of view, I love him. I want to see him in more films. I want to see him do spin-offs. But I also love Stolen. I also love him in everything else he's doing. It's because he's getting an option to do that today. There are a lot of actors and senior actors, and God bless them, जिन्होंने माइंड ब्लोइंग कॉमेडी करी. आप अगर पुरानी पिक्चर उठ के देखोगे ना तो आपको लगेगा कैसे कर रहे हो भाई आप ये. आप हीरो से ज्यादा सीन पकड़ के चला रहे हो. You're leading the scene. The hero is just there, but you're carrying the entire scene. They're damn talented. But at that time, that was all that was being made. So they got stuck in that.
Yeah.
I think we are very lucky as actors today. We have the option to break out of our own.
You know who said that to me? Paresh bhai.
I can't
when I
take
met
names,
him
but
on
you
s-
understand
on-
what I'm
on- on
saying.
set,
There's
he
Rajpal
actually-
Yadav ji, there's Paresh Rawal ji. There are so many actors.
And
Yeah.
they always said कि यार तुम लोग बहुत अच्छे टाइम में हो यार. तुम लोगों के पास कितना अलग वैरायटी वाला काम है. We were doing
उनको
only
offer ही
one
नहीं
mold of films. That's great.
Radhika, you come from a space of TV. You started off with TV,
Yes.
right? And then you transitioned into films. Do you think that because you started off, from TV, that kind of a stereotype kind of followed you even in audition rooms? And your character was pretty famous back then.
Yeah, people around me told me that this is going to be a baggage but honestly it didn't. मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ कि टेलीविजन से अच्छा ट्रेनिंग स्कूल कोई नहीं है. आप सब सीख जाते हो वहाँ पे क्योंकि आप दिन के 10 सीन्स कर रहे हो और आप साल 1.5 साल के लिए कर रहे हो, 1-2 छुट्टी लेके सिर्फ. तो जो प्रिपरेशन है ना वो आपको लाइफ के लिए रेडी कर देती है. फॉरगेट अबाउट मूवीज या कुछ और. सो जब मैं मूवीज के लिए ऑडिशन करने जाती थी मेरे लिए लग्जरी थी कि वो बोल रहे कि अरे ये आपका सीन है, आप हफ्ता ले लो, 3 दिन ले लो और हम एक ही सीन करेंगे. तो मुझे समझ नहीं आता था क्योंकि आई वाज सो, मैं 10 मिनट में याद कर लेती थी और मैं बोलती थी चलो कहते मोनोलॉग है, हाँ चलो. तो वही है कि मैं उसके बाद मुझे मूवीज लग्जरी लगने लग गए लोगों ने. एंड ऑनेस्टली मेरे साथ ऐसा नहीं हुआ कि किसी ने मुझे लिया नहीं किसी फिल्म में कि ये टेलीविजन एक्टर है, ऐसे नहीं लिया. उन्होंने देखा कि अच्छा आपने टीवी भी किया हुआ है. मे बी कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर्स जिनके साथ मैं थी जिन्होंने मुझे देखा था उनके माइंड में ये बैगेज नहीं था. सो इट्स नॉट अबाउट यू, it's also about the people who are casting you. Mukesh Chabra sir or Gautam sir या अनमोल एंड अभिषेक, इन्होंने नहीं देखा मुझे. इन्होंने मुझे जब अंग्रेजी के लिए ऑडिशन किया था इन्होंने ये भी नहीं देखा था कि मैं पटाखा से आ रही हूँ और मैंने 12 किलो गेन किया हुआ है या कुछ किया हुआ है. बड़े न्यूट्रली आते थे, कर लेगी चल तू कर ले, देख ले. लेकिन अगर उन्होंने मुझे लिमिट करा होता कि नहीं ये थोड़ी करेगी, अभी पटाखा करके आई है, बट माँ सेकेंड हाफ में माँ का रोल प्ले किया है, इसको 17 साल की बना देंगे. वो लिमिट मेरे माइंड में नहीं है और किसी भी एक्टर के माइंड में नहीं होती है. लिमिट यूजुअली मेकर्स के माइंड में होती है, कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर्स के माइंड में होती है. बट क्योंकि मैं लकीली उस टाइम पे आई थी इंडस्ट्री में जहाँ पर कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर्स सिर्फ वो 1-2 नहीं रह गए थे. अभिषेक वाज देयर, अनमोल वाज देयर. दे वर यंग ब्लड जो नोशंस चेंज कर रहे थे, बोल रहे थे कि नहीं हम क्यों लोगों को बॉक्स में डालें. which helped a lot of actors like me to flourish and to back
Hey
projects.
Radhika, thank you so much for saying that. Like seriously.
No, of
But
course.
that was the whole idea, right? मतलब हम casting कर रहे हैं, तो we in fact, if you ask honestly, I had not seen any of her TV work. Now that you know she's saying, and then of course I came to know after casting and all that. But that time ये होता था कि अगर एक list होती थी अच्छे actors में, तुम्हारा नाम होता था, you know, and that's how I think Nusrat also got, and that's what.
I have to only audition with y'all and Mukesh sir little bit and 1-2 more, exactly how she's saying. I said I couldn't even go to too many people. मैंने कहा ये लोग मुझे sensible लगते हैं, इनके साथ मेरी match होती है. There were so many scenes जहाँ he's been the co-actor. मैंने कहा अभिषेक तू कर lines, मैं करती हूँ. जहाँ हमने he said time है ना, मैंने कहा पूरा दिन है. मैं पूरा दिन बैठी रहती थी, हम रीटेक करते रहते, 1-2 घंटा ब्रेक लेते, कहते वापस करते हैं. मैंने कहा वापस करते हैं. So it was a process which we enjoyed to do. It was not like, oh, it's a screen test and we're going to be judged and we're going to, like there was no pressure around it. I think that's why even I only kept coming to you all.
बेसिकली बात ये बहुत ग्राउंड वर्क करना पड़ता है ऐसे अच्छे एक्टर्स को लाने के लिए.
Correct, yes.
You know, and that is what somebody has to take that on themselves.
Initiative.
I mean, I'm just going to add to this. You know that some of the best days, like when I was finding my feet in the city, was my experience of, because I mean, I auditioned with again those top 4-5 casting directors, but the most I've auditioned at Casting Bay, and you know, in the old office, that the whole drill, I used to get to Ramnagar, almost like warm up, get a can of Red Bull, come with my bag. And then वो vibe उसकी इतनी saintly थी, it was like, you know, going to a temple and he'd be chilling there बाहर, and वो बाहर वाला पीछे वाले कमरे में for hours, and these guys would just keep doing it, like, you know, get like, hash out the most कि एक और करते हैं, or you know, you're doing it well, let's get that detail also. So, and I've learned, I was just discussing this with a friend, that I've learned so much. You know, I've done stage and of course, you know, I was dabbling in stage and movies. But that bridge जो एक होता है stage से जो you know cinema में आपको transition करना होता है, auditions that I've done with so much with you know him, that's really helped me because that taught me, you know, to get that.
Yeah, I used to enjoy that. Like that was my process. Priyanshu Panyoli used to come and like we used to just jam, simply. कोई ऐसा फर्क पड़ता नहीं था कि कौन कहाँ से है. It didn't really matter.
One last question to each one of you, which is the theme. Do you still think that iconic scenes and characters are a boon or a curse? And I think I'll start with Nusrat because you kind of mentioned that at the start. So I'm going to start with you on that one.
Yeah, I think, I mean, I can sit and give you pros and cons for both, but अगर वो आइकॉनिक सीन और डायलॉग बन गया ना तो वो वरदान है ऊपर से जो आपको दिया गया है. आप मुझे कहीं भी खड़ा करके बोलो यार वो डायलॉग बोल दो, मैं बोल दूंगी, कितनी बार भी बोल दूंगी. उसने मुझे वो पहचान दी है.
Correct.
To be able to be identified just by that dialogue or just by that character. Do I think it's a boon? Yeah, I think it's a great boon. Do I think it's a curse? I will not call it that. But I will still, like I said, put in everything I have to keep doing different things and hope that audiences love me in different roles and characters as well. Like I said, इंडिया के नहीं ना एक्टर से ज़्यादा ना वो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स जो होती है ना कैरेक्टर की वो उनको प्यार कर बैठते हैं. But eventually हमारा काम है कि do we want to get out of that costume or not?
Correct. Yes.
We can't be in the same costume forever.
Forever.
तो मैं करती रहूंगी, but उसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि जिसके वजह से मुझे वो प्यार मिला है उसको मैं कर्स बोल दूँ, वो मैं नहीं कर सकती. Not at all, never.
Radhika, what about you?
I totally agree with her. अगर आपको लोगों की जिंदगी निकल जाती है कि एक फेमस डायलॉग मिल जाए, मतलब कितने आदमी थे, ये आपको रटा हुआ, मैं अपनी फेवरेट हूँ, ये सब जिंदगी निकल. आप मूवीज में भी तभी आते हो कि आपको लगता है कि यार ये करना है, इतना अमर बन जाना है. अब वो तो बून ही है, अमर बनना तो बून ही है कि आपको उसी डायलॉग से याद करा जाएगा. आप अपनी चुल के लिए, जैसे इन्होंने कहा है, आप अलग अलग काम कर लो. कोई नहीं जानता, किसी ने नहीं लिखा हुआ कि अरे ये आइकॉनिक है या ये आइकॉनिक नहीं बनेगा. आपको बस सच्चाई के साथ चलते रहना है, सच डालना है हर एक सीन के अंदर, अपना 100% डालना है. बन गया, वरना लगे रहो. और क्या है. बट अगर मिल गया है ऑलरेडी इतने कम टाइम में कि लोग आपको उस डायलॉग से पहचानते हैं, देन आई थिंक आप सर झुकाने के अलावा और कोई चीज आप कर नहीं सकते.
And gratitude.
Yeah, that is it.
Chitangada, what about you?
Exactly. I think movies are all about being, you know, these iconic characters. That's what movies are. They become such an important part of our memories growing up. only because of these iconic actors, you know, and that's who inspire you.
Yeah.
It's always that one iconic thing that happens to you. There's always a boon, yes. I mean, you become such a strong memory for people. And this is it. Yeah, I
Absolutely.
mean, it's always a boon, absolutely.
Ishfaq?
Yeah, I guess it's definitely a boon. I feel also a responsibility to kind of keep the ball rolling. You've got one iconic character, and I guess any actor worth their salt, pretty much everyone here, they've proven it again and again that they can do it. They can create multiple iconic characters. I mean, you know, you feel amazing when you go out there. You know, when you're interacting with people and they say, I love your work, and it's like, you know, that one character, and you don't know which one he's talking about. You know, when I just done the first gig, I was out of finished Patal Lok. I know that people are coming to me for that, for the love of Imran, but now it's about, sometimes it's for Rocket Boy, sometimes it's for a film that I did or something else, and that's what makes you believe that, you know, you will not be typecast if, you know, you keep breaking the mold. And yeah, I guess that's what it is. A watered down version of, you know, doing the same thing again and again. That is something, you know, that's a fine line that you want to kind of walk and be careful. But yeah, it's important to slip into another skin.
Absolutely. Abhishek?
Yeah, it's a boon. Simple,
sure.
yeah, plain and simple. Yeah.
I just, the only thing I was saying was every Teacher's Day I get the economics teacher from Desi Boys.
Yeah.
That's the one thing that kind of gets to me. Like, when will you be my economics teacher or something?
Yeah.
Like, yeah, something's kind of stick, you know. That's, yeah, when Teacher's Day is there, I get a lot of Twitter and all of this stuff keeps coming
Wow.
to me. That also happens.
Yeah, I'm sure. All right. Thank you so much, guys, for chatting with me, remove your time. And thank you so much for the wonderful memories you've given with the characters. Okay. Kudos to each one of you for juggling that and the reality once the camera stops rolling, also. So thank you.